you love to sew and your creativity knows no bounds? The Alfa Next 40 Plus spring is suitable for all thick fabrics as it incorporates elastic seams for sewing knitwear, lycra, t-shirts, but depending on the elastic, a different needle is required. Stitch length and width are variable. A sturdy and stable machine with 2 metal bobbin holders. A metal presser foot holder. Shuttle and metal bobbin case. Includes 34 stitch types for step automatic buttonhole, stop stitch, overcasting, stretch overcasting, invisible stitch, stretch stitch with overcasting, decorative scallop stitch, wavy scallop stitch, light decorative stitches, double lock stitch, honeycomb stitch, chevron stitch, stretch overlock stitch, patchwork scallop stitch, decorative cross stitch stretch and overlock stitches. The machine is equipped with a top thread tension regulator, automatic bobbin winder, double presser foot height for coarse fabrics, and free arm for tubular fabrics. It also features a white LED light, 6 rows of feed teeth for easy fabric movement, stitch reversal for locking stitches. Get the most out of your Next 40 Plus spring.